Welcome to Railay Beach in Krabi province, Thailand. So if you want to go to Railay Beach, you have to take a longtail boat from Ao Nang Beach or from Ao Namao Pier, and the price is like 100 baht for one way. After a 10-minute ride with the longtail boat, you will arrive at Railay Beach, where you can find the most scenic limestone cliffs in Krabi. Railay Beach is actually a place for backpackers from all over the world, but it's also a very touristic place where you can find tattoo shops, bars, restaurants and massage saloons. If you're interested in the nightlife and meet new people, there are also some places you can go, like pubs or reggae bars where people smoke weed and drinking happy shakes. It's a lot to explore in Railay Beach, so take your time when you come here for a day trip. Maybe you can come in the morning and leave in the evening. There is always a boat back to Ao Nang Beach to the mainland. So if you follow the road from Railay Beach along the bars and restaurants, you can find your way to Pranang Beach, the opposite beach of Railay Beach.
Now we are heading to Pranang Beach. It's the opposite beach from Railay Beach, and actually the much more beautiful one. And there are a lot of monkeys.
If you see some monkeys in Thailand, just be careful. They try to steal everything from you, so put away your sunglasses and your pocket. The path to Pranang Beach is very beautiful, and you will walk along the mountains with a lot of caves inside. This is the way up to the lagoon, which is also very beautiful. But this time I didn't go there. It was raining before and the way was very muddy and it's super steep. The wildlife in Railay Beach is amazing too. There are a lot of different monkeys, lizards and birds. Don't be silly and draw something on the cave walls or anywhere. Just respect the nature and enjoy. If you arrive at Pranang Beach, you will be rewarded with one of the most beautiful beaches in south of Thailand. Just few meters away from the beach, you can find the Princess Cave, which I more call like the penis cave, because you can find a lot of wooden penis inside. I highly recommend to visit Railay Beach and Pranang Beach in the morning, where you can escape the crowds of tourists. The crystal clear and turquoise water of Krabi is stunning. You will see it in the next drone videos. also can rent a kayak and explore the small islands around Pranang Beach. The Grotto, which is the restaurant of the Rayawadi Hotel in Pranang Beach, is one of the most famous restaurants in whole Thailand. You have a very amazing view to the islands in front of Pranang Beach. In the end of my trip to Railay Beach, I will walk to the secret beach in the end of Pranang Beach. Not many people know about this place, but I will show you and next time you can visit it. The limestone cliffs are so stunning and very unique, only in Krabi province, Thailand. So if you walk to the end of Pranang Beach, you can find a small path inside the jungle, where you can find the secret beach on the end and also the entrance to the bat cave. If you really want to go to the bat cave, where you have a very nice view to Railay Beach, I highly recommend to go together and bring flashlights and shoes.
This is the way up to the bat cave, and this is the way to a secret lagoon.
Not that easy to go down there, but it's worth. You can access the private beach in the end of Pranang Beach only low tide. I will show you some drone videos from Pranang Beach. You can't see it in the video, but the weather was changing very fast, so I decided to take a boat back to Ao Nang Beach on the mainland. There are so many places to discover on Railay Beach, so if you want to see all of it, you should stay 1 or 2 nights in one of the hotels on the island. On the way back, I saw the sheet, "Do not feed a monkey," so please respect the wildlife and let the monkey find the food in the nature. This rock also looks like a penis, but please don't touch it. The last boats from Railay Beach to Ao Nang to the mainland will leave at 6 p.m. in the evening. If you want to go after sunset, you have to pay more than 100 baht. I think it's 150 baht. In case you want to see some more of the drone videos, so I hope you enjoyed the Railay trip with me and you will watch my next video in my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and like this video. Thanks.